Hi, my name is Robbie. Today, I'm going to show you how to paint a sign. I'm going to paint with these wood letters, and I'm going to paint them.
What color are you painting them?
Red.
And this red is Republic Red from Wise Owl Paint. And what letters do we have here?
L, V, and E.
And we got these from Dollar General.
I'm going to take my glue dots, and I'm going to take a canvas board. I'm going to take my glue dots, and I'm going to stick them on the letters.
And we have a 12 by 14 inch canvas here that we got from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to help find the center of the canvas.
I'm going to take my letter L and place it on my board. I'm going to take my letter V and put some more glue dots. You're just going to rub them down. I'm going to place my V under the L and press it down. I'm going to do my same thing with the letter E. I'm going to place my E next to the V.
We grabbed the glue dots from Dollar General, and that is what we're using to adhere our wood letters to the canvas board.
I'm painting my hand black.
And here we're using some black Wise Owl paint. And Wise Owl paint is non-toxic and safe for children. So we're just taking a small art brush, and I am helping Robbie to paint his hand black.
Then we're going to place my hand on the board.
And we're going to use the handprint as the letter O. And now we're just going to add a hanger to our sign. So I'm taking some painter's tape and jute, and I'm going to tape one end of the jute down. And I'm taking Scotch tape at the other end of our jute so that it's easier to string the beads through.
I'm going to put my black and wood beads on my string.
We got these beads in a pack from Walmart. And once we have all of the beads strung onto the jute, we are going to flip our sign over, and we're going to mark at the 4-inch line on both the left and right side. And we're going to secure the hanger. Now this part is meant for an adult to do. I have 2 small mini popsicle sticks, and I'm going to take my hot glue gun and just secure the jute down. And then I'm just going to tie a small knot and then cut off the extra jute.
Now we have a love sign. And thank you for watching.
And don't forget, paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. Have a great day.